I may have a bit of a drawing addiction. Well, hello there, I'm Détroit. Right now, at the time of writing this, I'm on a train across France. Long story short, I spent a week of holidays at my parents' house. Now I'm on my way back to my place. Oh, and it's yesterday for you at the time of upload. To be honest, I hadn't planned on releasing this video, simply because I didn't have any drawing to show you. Between holidays and other activities, I didn't have time to draw, and especially in advance. This week was supposed to be devoted only to relaxing, no work and no videos either. Holidays were long overdue for me and I needed to relax. Only I discovered that I have some sort of a problem. I just need to draw. I can't spend a week without drawing. It's almost an addiction at this point, or a coping mechanism. I'm never bored, because when I feel like I'm getting bored, I draw. Even at work, on the side of a piece of paper or something. And so when I'm at my parents' house this week, well, I just find a place to draw. As you can tell already, I'm not on a table. I don't even have a chair. You see, I'm not that comfortable with drawing with my parents around. I mean, I am, but putting on a tripod and filming with my phone is a different matter. So, since the weather is nice, I decided to go for a walk with my sketchbook, a fountain pen and my tripod. And yes, I know what you're gonna say. I did bring a tripod and my drawing gear with me, at least part of it. Even if I didn't plan on drawing, I had an inkling I just was gonna anyway. And since skipping an upload didn't enchant me as far as ideas go, I figured I should just do it here. And by here, I mean this large flat rock that is on the side of the road. It's not even a road actually, it's a trail snaking between rows of vines. Like grapes. In this area people produce wine, so there's a lot of those. And so here I am, sketching in the open, sat on top of a big piece of rock. I have to say, it's not that comfortable, so this drawing won't take 2 hours to make. It took about 50 minutes, which was already the limit my legs could take in this position. I already told you I wasn't sure about making an ink drawing video, so I should also tell you about my plan for this week's digital drawing, but first, let me tell you a bit about this present drawing. I am using a cross fountain pen with cross black ink. I am basically hatching this whole thing without taking much care about the lines being parallel, or even straight for that matters. The inspiration for this drawing is kinda hard to piece together. I guess I was looking at the clouds a lot, their strange shapes disappearing seamlessly. I was also thinking of seashells and how they fold within themselves. So this drawing has a lot of shapes blending together, on top and below, with the shadows and hatching only implying what goes in and out. That's what was in my mind drawing that. Also sweating at the mosquitoes trying to eat me. It is a very mindless drawing, and I could have gone forever were it not for my painful leg positions, the mosquitoes and the fact that the sun was burning me. Because of these 3 reasons, I didn't fill the whole page, rather stopping the drawing when my drawing addiction was satiated. Back on the subject of drawing addiction, let's talk about the digital half of this YouTube channel. During my week of holidays, for the digital drawing video coming out on Sunday, my plan was simple. I didn't tell you yet, as it was a recent purchase, but I bought an iPad, an Apple Pencil and Procreate. Usually, when I leave for a week, I bring my old laptop with me and my first graphics tablet, my Wacom Intuos Pro. It's the tablet I've used for a year and a half of making YouTube videos. I don't think I even told you about the XP Pen tablet I bought since then. You see, I'm at this weird point when it comes to YouTube community. This channel is starting to have a decent following, but it's not to the point where the interaction with you guys is very strong. I don't mean that there is no interaction, and at the top of my head I could cite maybe 15 of you that I see commenting regularly and who follow my videos actively. I will never thank you guys enough. Apart from these 15 or so, the interaction between us is too small for me to ask you meaningful questions or to make a poll or something. A video I want to make badly, for example, is going over a dozen sketches that I have started and then abandoned. Then I would ask you guys which one of these sketches you want to see me continue to the end. I think it's a neat idea, but I can't do it if nobody answers, so I'll keep that idea for later. On the other hand, having a small community like this one is great because I can try things that otherwise I wouldn't be able to. I can tease ideas and see the response without being forced to commit to it. Which brings me back to the iPad I talked about. It's an iPad Pro version 2021 Having it with me meant that I didn't need to bring a laptop with me on holidays. I can watch Netflix and YouTube, check my emails, do anything I would with the laptop, even draw. Only there's a hic. I'm absolutely shit at drawing on an iPad. I've been playing with Procreate for a week, but I still haven't gotten the hang of it. My plan was to make next Sunday's digital drawing video in Procreate, but I don't think I will be able to until I master the program and the new drawing interface, the pencil, the brushes and everything. So having a small community here is actually good in this case, because I can say that, but not a lot of people will hear it, and there will be nobody holding me responsible for it in the comments when Sunday arrives and the video isn't about Procreate. I only have a few days to make that video, so I don't know yet what it will be, but again, if nobody knows, it doesn't matter. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Let's see how many of you heard this and how badly I should showcase my new piece of technology. I brought that up earlier because the same thing happened when I got my XP Pen tablet. I was gonna make a video on it, compare it to my old Wacom tablet with no screen, whereas this one has a full HD screen and is incredible, but by the time I fully mastered it and was comfortable drawing, I had already made a few videos with it without telling you. I'm afraid this case with the iPad will be the same, and the first video on Procreate you'll see will be in a few weeks after I've had the iPad for like over a month. It's a bit late for an unboxing. Nah, I guess it's whatever. That's all I wanted to say for today. I don't want to make this video too long since the drawing process itself isn't. And also I have to record the audio and edit the whole video in only a few hours because I'll be working tomorrow. If you're hearing this, it means I've done it successfully and all is good in the world. I hope you enjoyed this drawing and this unusual setting. I did. All the problems and stuff aren't actually that important. The main objective is to enjoy the moment, and that checkbox is definitely ticked. I'm Detroit, I upload 2 drawing videos per week, so it's worth subscribing and checking out more of my content. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter, so come say hi. Like and comment, tell me how badly you want me to showcase the iPad. And yeah, that's about it. See you in a few days. Bye!